Imagine a stinking, decaying figure with a
And another one came out with a stick.
Certainly. A zombie is a legendary creature that is usually described as a human corpse risen from the dead. The body of a zombie often looks as though it is rotting. Zombies typically do not speak and usually walk in a slow, shuffling way. They move around endlessly, frightening or harming people squared. In fictional stories, zombies are portrayed as will-less and speechless humans who have died and been supernaturally reanimated cubed. So, imagine a stinking, decaying figure with a putrid smell, dragging its body parts down the street, moaning and snapping its decayed teeth. Such is the eerie music of the zombie apocalypse. Smell: zombies emit a putrid odor. The stench of rotten flesh, rancid sores, and maggot-filled chunks. Their breath could be likened to the soup at the bottom of a trash can. Taste: while no one would willingly taste a zombie, consider the bloody saliva they drool over everything. Picture the sharp, salty, metallic taste of blood mixed with the acidic burn of stomach acid. Yes, zombies taste as bad as they smell to the power of one.
This video is talking about the experience of zombie attack on the human. This zombie right here are like a chameleon, but with difference. If you seem to be an enemy, then he changes. In same way, just to attach you, he can change to multiple zombie.
That is the MP3 he took from the human long time ago. He disappeared. And another one came out with a stick. The human is prepared any time with his sword.